Today I'm really excited. We're going to do a special video. I'm all the way in Los Angeles and I'm actually almost 10 years fully raw vegan. Isn't that amazing, you guys? Going raw vegan in 2016 literally changed my life more than any other thing I've ever experienced on this planet. Eating only real raw foods reversed all my health problems and just introduced me into who I truly am and my best self. Led me to my purpose. It's the reason I created this YouTube channel and the reason I'm in Los Angeles today. And so I thought I would take you guys through a day of eating. So I'm back on track. You guys know both my parents passed away last year and I kind of fell off a little bit for the first time in my whole raw vegan journey. But I'm back on track and I'm feeling better than ever. So I'm here to hopefully inspire you to eat more raw, real foods. Even if you want to eat some cooked foods, I just love people to focus on real whole foods. And I feel like you can really transform your life inside out by just literally taking care of how you eat. So let's hop right into it. And you guys, this video is going to be really special because tonight I'm actually hosting a dinner here in Los Angeles at Wild Living Foods, one of my favorite raw vegan hotspots on the whole planet. Wait till you guys see the food, it's incredible. And there's some very special raw vegan celebrity guests coming, so I'll get them on camera and hopefully inspire you with some words from them as well. So stay tuned to the end, it's gonna be a really good one. And here in LA, I've been eating really clean and feeling really good. You guys, the food quality is so good here. It literally has me thinking maybe I should move out here to like Orange County or something. But I've been starting my day with these coconuts. I get these back home too in North Carolina. So I found some here and I went to Erewhon out here. I'm sure you guys have been or heard of it if you haven't been. And it's so expensive, but the produce is really good. So that was kind of a fun experience. So these are really easy to crack open. You don't need like a coconut opener and stuff. So boom, like that. And then you get some of Mother Nature's electrolytes because who knows what's really in our water these days. And you know, in the coconuts, they're just real legit. Like I feel like God intended for us to drink these. So they just hydrate you like nothing else. They make me feel really alive, electric, amazing. So good, you guys. So I've been starting the day with that. And we're so lucky, Johnny Juicer brought over this beautiful soursop the other day. I filmed a what he eats in a day video. He's been fully raw vegan for a year now. So he got back on track by doing a 50-day juice fast. And then he's been fully raw since. And he said it's literally been the best year of his entire life. And that video was so inspiring. So if that's out now, I'll put it down below. But anyway, he brought me this soursop. I haven't had one in so long. So we're gonna cut this open right now. Enjoy some papaya and some soursop for breakfast. And it's perfectly ripe. And soursop, super anti-cancer, just so healthy to get more of these foods in you. I'm just gonna try out some of this papaya, you guys. I don't know about you guys, but papaya, it's literally my favorite food on the whole planet. And so good. I've been getting really good papayas in LA. And look at this soursop. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm gonna try this out. It looks so freaking good. Wow. Looks insane. It tastes like candy. I don't see why we're still eating candy or things with Blue 40 or all these silly things that aren't intended for our body when God created foods that literally taste insane. And the more you eat these foods, the more you want these foods. So I know a lot of people struggle in the beginning because they're still craving In-N-Out or all these different things. But you have to give it time. Give it a solid 3-4 weeks. Go all in with the real foods and then you'll start craving those and you'll fall in love with these foods. I literally never craved the old foods. I used to live off burgers, bottles of wines every night. And you know, chips, Mars bars, a lot of that stuff was in my diet too. I literally look at it like it's not even food now. So you're better than that. Nurture yourself with real food. So anyway, I'm gonna feast on this. I'm gonna enjoy this, have a nice maybe little breakfast out back, enjoy some of the LA sun, and then I'll turn on the camera next when I have something else. All right, you guys, I'm ready to eat again and make a nice green juice. And look at this, I'm gonna show you guys something really special. I actually just filmed a video with a woman named Gabby. She's amazing here in LA. And she makes the best raw vegan cheese I've ever had. And I know this can be something that's really hard for people to give up, like their standard cheese addiction. This cheese is such a good replacement. So we just made a video for that. So stay tuned, subscribe. If it's up already, I'll put it down below. But look at this cheese, you guys. Insane. Nice herbal cheese. And then I got some crackers at Erewhon in LA. These are just like raw za'atar crackers. Look at that. And we've just been snacking on this. So delicious. Oh my gosh, you guys. 100 out of 10. So good. Oh my God. I don't want to fill up too much on it because we're going out to dinner tonight to Wild Living Foods here in LA and I'm going to bring you guys along. And so right now I want to up the vibes even more. I had that soursop. It made me feel amazing. I literally felt, I was saying off camera, like, whoa, I feel healthier just from eating this. Like, just so many antioxidants, gives you so much life, creativity, energy. That's what these foods do, and that's what food should do for us, right? So right now I'm gonna make the classic This is a green juice I try and make almost every single day. So even when I'm traveling, I take the time to make it fresh because it has the life force, has the enzymes, just has the power, just activates your cells on a cellular level and just gives you a real boost like nothing else. And I noticed such a big difference making it fresh. I could go pick some up, I'm sure, at somewhere in LA, no problem, pre-made, but it's just so much more life force when you make it fresh and drink it right away. So we're gonna make Lou's Lemon Ginger Blast, you guys. He's been drinking this for over 50 years. He's almost, I think, 75. And this reversed all his health problems back when he was 21. And then he went to raw foods, and he's been a raw foodie for so many years. And he's one of my mentors. And I just really look up to him. And there's a reason this juice is so popular and so many people drink it, because it really just does so much for you. So we're gonna make this, and you guys have probably seen me make this a million times, but I love it. And we're gonna do a small handful of mint in here, a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of ginger. We're gonna start by stacking our herbs first. That's a tip to give you guys, a pro tip with your juicer, is put the herbs first, or fairly early in the juice making process, and then load the heavier stuff on top of that. Then it pushes it down kinda. So we'll put some herbs and then some cucumber, some more herbs, and then some celery. So we're gonna do 1 bunch of cilantro, 1 bunch of parsley, a whole cucumber, and we're gonna do a little bit of habanero. Lou, I think, does like 1 or 2 of these. Like, that is so advanced level. I can't even tolerate it like that, you guys. It's way too much for me. Maybe that's why he looks way younger. I don't know, but this is what I do. This much. You guys, that's how strong it is though. Also, we're gonna chop up a whole thing of fennel Lou puts in. I put in a little turmeric and a little bit of ginger, but I know Lou does more of a handful of those. But just tweak it, play around with it. And to me, a green juice a day, nothing makes me feel better. It just lifts the vibes, especially in the afternoon. Like, what time is it right now? Well, it's almost 1 o'clock. This is when I like to make my green juice, in the afternoon. I think the afternoon can be a time where a lot of things start coming at you. Maybe some business stuff comes up that you don't like, or if you start to feel overwhelmed with this or that, and you maybe start to crash or something, but this green juice will just lift you up like nothing else. So we're gonna chop up a whole bunch of dandelion greens, you guys. We're gonna put these in. And so yeah, for the basic greens in these, Lou showed me he usually uses dandelion greens and fennel. We're gonna put in 2 apples. Usually I use green apples, but they were out today, so I'm just putting in some Honey Crisp. We're gonna use 1 lemon in here. And tell me, guys, do you like juicing? What kind of juice do you make? And lastly, we're gonna put in a whole bunch of celery, good for your bones, high in minerals. Okay, so I know Lou adds about 15% water to his lemon ginger blast. So I started doing that as well, you guys. And he says it helps us absorb it better, so looks so good, right? With all those herbs, just, it's good for the cilantro too, detoxing heavy metals. They say heavy metals are just in so many things these days, you guys. So there's so many nutrients in there, no matter what your lifestyle, even if you're not vegan, however you eat, it's, in my opinion, great to just add in a green juice a day. And on this channel, we don't judge if you're not vegan. And cheers, you guys. So good. That's good. Oh, that is good. That's gonna give me life force and energy, you guys. So I'm gonna have this. I'll probably snack on some more of the apples that were on that cheese plate. I don't want to fill up too much on the cheese plate because we're going out to dinner tonight. So I'll go enjoy this, and then we'll turn the camera back on when we are at our dinner and introduce you guys to some amazing people and beautiful food. All right, guys, it's time for dinner. We're at Wild Living Foods. It's my absolute favorite raw food place in the entire world. And we have a meetup for my club, my private community club, Raw. So many awesome people. We have like 25 or 30 people here. And Johnny Juicer's coming, some other influencers. So come on over and we'll see what we're eating for dinner. Okay, you guys, we have these beautiful kelp noodle spring rolls, and you can see we have a delicious array of salads. They're bringing a bunch of amazing, all fully raw foods out here. And it's so nice to have a dinner with like-minded people. Everybody's kind of on the same frequency, good vibes. Okay, guys, we have the start to dinner, an amazing meal with amazing Club Raw friends. And we're gonna have 2 types of pasta, basil pesto, a Caesar, and then I think it's Alfredo pasta, a wrap, and then a beautiful kale salad, and another wrap in here. This is my favorite place in the whole wide world. Okay, guys, look at these lettuce tacos. We're gonna enjoy these too. Oh my gosh, raw food is the best food, you guys. So these are also part of our dinner. So we just had an amazing dinner, and we're with a member, beautiful member of Club Raw, Stacy. And you guys, I wanted to bring her on for a sec to talk about how foods have changed her life. Look at her, she's about to turn 40. And she is glowing and looks so much younger.
Thank you.
So tell us, what's your journey, how food's changed you?
So 3 years ago, I had to drink 5 cups of coffee to get through life. I was on 4 different allergy medications. I had severe IBS, severe health symptoms. And then I woke up one day and a voice literally came in my head and said, eat only fruits. I didn't know anything about it. I didn't know what it was, but I started and I did a 40-day fruit fast. And within 2 weeks, everything disappeared. All my symptoms went away.
Stop it.
Everything disappeared.
And
Within
how
2 weeks.
did you feel really spiritual and connected too?
It changed everything for me. And then I was just like, oh, this is how God told us to eat. This is how we were supposed to live our lives. And it changed my life. And since then, this has been my path.
And so all your health problems, everything's cleared
Oh, everything's gone.
And now you're all raw for like a few years?
I'm all raw. I don't need anything. I don't need coffee anymore. I don't need allergy medications. I don't need IBS medications. Everything has changed.
And any advice for somebody to like get to where you're at, to stay on track?
If your why is because of health, if your why is because you're sick, it'll keep you on track. But if your why is just to lose weight, it will not.
You're right.
Your why has to be health,
Yeah.
or spirituality or connection, then for sure you're gonna stay on track.
And a lot of people think on this lifestyle they don't feel connected because they're like, my family doesn't eat
Oh,
this way,
no.
my friends. So how do you navigate that?
I feel
Anyways?
way more connected. Like I feel like I manifest things and I feel the spirit, I feel the presence, my body is vibrating, it's energetic. I can't go back. I'm a better person to my husband, I'm a better friend, I'm a better daughter, I'm a better sister eating this way. So I really don't care what anyone else eats. I don't even care what my husband eats. Like I do not police anyone.
Yeah,
I
good.
just worry about me and I know I feel great and that's all that matters.
Wow. Okay, I have to bring you on for an interview. Do you want to come on for a full interview one time?
Sure.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, thanks, Stacey. You're amazing.
I love you.
I love you. Okay, we're gonna have to get some more people because Club Raw members are amazing and so inspiring.
Woo-hoo! We love Club Raw. I have never, ever, ever, ever been in a group as fantastic as yours.
Thank you.
And I'm not just saying that. The second I joined,
Yeah.
everyone was just so loving and welcoming, and we're all strangers.
Yeah.
You would think that we knew each other
I
for
know.
years.
I know.
And that's because of you.
Yeah.
It's because you're authentic and you're genuine.
Thank you.
And it connects other authentic and genuine people.
True. Thanks,
So,
Stacey.
you are
That
the
made my day.
bomb.com. You
Oh,
are.
I just love you.
You're incredible.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love you.
I honestly want you to know. I
Thank
love
you.
Club Raw.
All right, guys, we're with 𝒔𝒂𝒗𝒆, one of my favorite people ever, and I met her inside Club Raw, and we had a meet up in New York. Now she came to the one in LA, and you guys have seen her on the channel before. She is
Yes.
so inspiring. She recently did a big juice fast, and juicing and raw foods have changed her life. So I just want to know, like, what are the biggest benefits you've had from juicing and raw foods, and how have they changed your life, like, inside and out?
The biggest benefits that I've had from I was trying to say drinking raw food, but I kind of am because I do a lot of juicing. The biggest benefits is energy, mental clarity, no inflammation because I used to get sore and stiff a lot, so I don't get sore and stiff anymore. I can lift heavier weights. I have more mental clarity. And I feel like I'm starting to walk into my purpose, which I couldn't figure that out before when my mind was so clouded from just eating all of this crappy food. I had to get that out. And as I've cleansed myself out, I can think more and I can hear Lord tell me more what it is that He wants me to do.
I love that. And any advice for anybody watching to stay on track, go all in with the real food, the raw food or cooked, just all in with real food and completely get off any crap.
I could say go all in, although that wasn't exactly my path. I wish that I could have done that. But the truth is that it really only takes 21 to 30 days before you have no more cravings. The cravings don't last. Eventually you'll start to crave lettuce and kale and oranges and apples and juices. Like your body is gonna start feeding off of that. And then also as your cells start to replenish with these vegetables and plants, you start to look younger and you start to age backwards.
I love it. I love you so much, 𝒔𝒂𝒗𝒆.
I love you too. Oh, I feel blessed to know you.
Me too. Me too. You're so inspiring.
You are too.
And 𝒔𝒂𝒗𝒆, like I said, she came on for a juice fasting video, so I'll put that down below, you guys, and I'll put it on the screen at the end of this video. Check it out. And we love you. We're gonna get back to the dinner. All right, guys. Wild Living Foods are known for their ice cream. Look at this, Cookie Monster, all raw vegan. And we ordered a salted caramel and an almond ice cream as well. And then we have a bunch of other amazing stuff I'm gonna show you in one sec. Okay guys, so we're gonna enjoy some of these amazing desserts. This is, I think, a cookies and cream cake. And then there's, this is like a sweet potato that I've heard is really good. It's a raw sweet potato cake. Let's try it. Oh, wow. That is insane. That sweet potato cake is insane. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was an amazing day of raw food, real food that help you live your best life. And we had such a great meetup. Look, you eat this way and you find your people, you find your tribe, your like-minded people. If you guys want to join my group, Club Raw, we might be coming to a meetup in a city near you. And it's just a great community and it offers so much. All my ebooks, course, giveaways. It's literally just the best community ever. So I'll put that down below. And you guys, we're stopping eating. It's about 5:45. So we did the meetup early because it's healthier to stop eating earlier in the day. It is not healthy to eat close to bed. So I really recommend cut off your eating time at least stop eating before it gets dark or right before it gets dark, and you'll wake up feeling better the next day. And remember, what you eat today walks and talks tomorrow. So how we take care of ourselves today is what we will get tomorrow. So I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll put 2 amazing other videos on the screen right now, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.